I will be upgrading my intake, so we will be removing this whole piece right here, going down all the way down there. And first we have to remove this right here, which has some screws right there, if you can see them. There's 1, 2, 3. First we remove this, then I'll be coming here and removing this, taking that whole apart, and we have to perhaps we have to move disconnect some of these lines. That way it doesn't get on our way. And with the rubber. Alright, we got some clamps in here. Zip tie. A couple of stuff we're gonna need. Let me go ahead and bring it down. A little rough there, huh? Well, it's just plastic. It'll be okay. Alright, like I said, here's the AFE power housing. Got a couple more parts over here. Alright, I'll be getting all this out the box, and I'll see if I need anything else before I take all this down. Pretty sure everything's gonna work fine. If we need smaller clamps, wherever the reason may be, we may be able to use the old ones. I still need to change the throttle body here. This is where the throttle body goes, right here. For a bigger opening, you know, that way you can get more air into the engine. So that'll be something next I'll be doing. I did go to Summit, but they did not have any in stock. You know, I was looking around 103 mm. Biggest one they had was 98 at the store, unless they order me one and get it shipped. But you know, that's gonna take over 2 weeks. But we'll wait on that. See if I can find it somewhere else a little quicker. But yeah, let's continue with this install. Like I said, I'm gonna get this out the box, then I'll be coming back over to see if I need anything else, and I'll see you guys on the installation video. Alright, I already went ahead and removed all this right here. Alright, so now we're gonna install this filter and housing. Bam. Then we just have to put the same bolts back in here. The same ones we removed, same ones that will be going back in here. We'll try these right here. We already got it on there. It's all ready. I'm about to fire up the car.